Thank you for purchasing the X8 High Active Self-Propelled Wheelchair. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very best out of your new CareCo product. Your X8 High Active Self-Propelled Wheelchair should come fully boxed, as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box, and once open, set aside the small pack which contains the footrests. Now you can lift out the wheelchair frame by the handles and set it aside. Set aside the seat cushion and remove any excess packaging. Pull apart the seat handles to open up the seat frame. Push down on the seat to make it flat. By applying the handbrakes, you can prevent the chair from moving during assembly. Use a pair of scissors to cut off any remaining styrofoam packaging. Take care to avoid scratching the wheels or the metal frame. Attach the seat cushion, making sure you line up the Velcro patches on the seat frame and the underside of the cushion. Now it's time to attach the footrests. When attaching the footrests, make sure they are dropped in on the correct side. The foot plates should drop down so that they are facing each other directly in front of the seat. Inside the box containing the footrests, you'll find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this for further information on wheelchair maintenance. We recommend you keep this in your wheelchair backpack, along with a supplied spanner in case you wish to make alterations. Don't forget the large rear wheels are removable for ease of storage, and the armrests are height adjustable and can be tilted up for easier access on and off the chair. Your product is now ready for use. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any more questions about the X8 High Active Self-Propelled Wheelchair or its assembly, then have a look on our website, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.